Yeah. So how was your time at the horticulture university? How is that you were the first one with viticulture and enology options?
I loved my education at Oregon State. It was a great program. It was a well-regarded program, but it wasn't, I would say, a large program. I forget how many horticulture students were in it at the time, but it would have been quite small compared to what it is now. And I knew Oregon State had a good horticulture program, but I didn't necessarily know that they had a viticulturenology program, which they essentially didn't when I started. As I was going through school, they decided to create one, and which has now since grown quite a bit. And some of my classes, it seemed like it was, two professors and me kind of thing, or a professor, me, and the guy a year behind me, Travis Cook, who I work with as well. And so very, very small classes in some of those viticulture focused ones. But I loved it because it was also a fairly broad education in horticulture. So I still often think about my plant ID classes. I think about the classes that talk about hazelnuts and blueberries and tree fruits. And because sometimes it's possible, I think, to be a little narrow and not think about like the
Yeah.
broader world of plants and different options.
Exactly. Horticulture is a very beautiful and very wide field. And I had a similar experience from my class. There were like not only me, but a very few people who were going down the road of the viticulture and winemaking. Most of the people were or focusing more on like fruit growing, vegetables, and all that stuff. So it's pretty niche, but as you said, I totally agree that it's always good to have like a wider field of view because you can apply so many interesting things and even combine even at an estate. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.